Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's my video is how to make sashimi Chim. Before we start, don't forget subscribe, like and share. Let's go. Okay, let's start the cooking. This is a salmon fillet. You see the cut of salmon, just only small, and tuna fillet, same size of the salmon to cut like this, same of salmon. And then yellow bean sprout boiled into 15 minutes. And then somin noodles boiled into 6 minutes. And then after that you can wash. And then lettuce, iceberg, and white radish cut into 2 inches. Iceberg lettuce is a press, and white radish. Cut also the green chili, red chili, onion. It's all fresh because this is a like a salad. And then roasted sesame seed. This is already roast. And then spring onion leeks. Garlic, mace. Chili paste. This chili paste is I put already vinegar. And then sesame oil. This is dry seaweeds roasted. Dry seaweeds roasted. I'm sorry. for the top of the cook. Dry seaweed, this is for a temporary design. And then this is a somion noodles, just already washed, and then I put serve it. Chili paste with vinegar, sesame oil again, roasted seaweeds, vegetable. Just already preparing for a serve in one person. Now we mix it all. Just put into the bowl already, and then I will put the chili paste, sesame oil, and now we'll make it mix into the big bowl. Now shake it. Oh, now it's already finished. Wow, so delicious, very nice on the rainy season. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Louie. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. See you again. Babu. Let's eat. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. I'm Louie. Welcome to my vlog. Thank you. Enjoy your meal.